America's COVID fight has a new weapon. A third vaccine made by Johnson & Johnson is set to ship out. CBS's Danya Bacchus in Los Angeles has the latest. Danya, good evening.
Good evening to you, Adriana. Sites like the Forum here in Los Angeles could see arrival of the new vaccine next week. California Governor Gavin Newsom says the state is expecting 380,000 doses, and that number could increase as more supply becomes available.
Tonight, vaccine game changer.
We now have 3 highly effective vaccines.
A rapid rollout for the one-and-done Johnson & Johnson vaccine soon on the way, with delivery of 4 million doses expected as early as next week, 20 million doses anticipated by the end of March, and 200 million by June.
The more vaccines that have high efficacy that we can get into play, the better there is.
The race to vaccinate is picking up. A sudden surplus in existing but weather-delayed supply prompted New York City's mass vaccination sites to add overnight appointments. Despite a recent drop in cases and deaths,
beware the Ides of March.
Health officials warn that positive trend may have bottomed out.
We're going to start seeing a sharp increase in the number of new COVID cases across the country.
Virus variants are threatening to dominate, driving up new infections.
We may be done with the virus, but clearly the virus is not done with us.
Still, calls for celebration in Seattle.
It was a party. It was a party.
Near the country's first reported COVID outbreak early last year.
Everybody's been vaccinated.
Every resident and most staff members at this assisted living center now fully vaccinated.
Here in California, nursing home deaths have accounted for nearly 18% of the state's COVID-related deaths. Though cases have dropped dramatically in recent months, health officials say now is not the time to ease restrictions. Adriana?
Danya Bacchus in Los Angeles, thank you.